Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to transfer USDT from Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper. At first you want to click on send. Now since I don't have any in my account, it's asking me if I want to add. So I'm clicking on OK, but it's going to ask you to send. After that we're going to click on external wallet. Then you want to click on Toncoin. And then right over here it's going to ask you for your Toncoin address. What you want to do to get that is head over to Tonkeeper, click on receive, and then this is your Toncoin. You want to click on copy and just paste it there, and then you can head back into your Tonkeeper, wait for however much time it takes to load, and then what you want to do is tap on swap. Unfortunately my network is slow, but once it loads you can easily swap from USDT to ton, as you can see right over here, and then like select how much was it that you want to transfer, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.